What bottleneck calculators don't tell you about DDR5? Are bottleneck calculators misleading your PC upgrades? While they promise quick insights for balancing components, they often oversimplify critical aspects of your hardware. DDR5 memory, with its cutting-edge advancements, is frequently misunderstood or undervalued by these tools, and that could be holding your build back. Many PC builders rely on bottleneck calculators without questioning their accuracy. These tools reduce complex hardware relationships to simple percentages, but DDR5 isn't just about percentages. It's about how it transforms data handling. Let's break down what your calculator isn't telling you and why it matters for performance seekers. DDR5 memory isn't just a minor upgrade from DDR4, it's a profound leap in performance. With twice the bandwidth, improved power efficiency, and increased capacities, DDR5 revolutionizes high-speed multitasking and gaming. These features ensure faster communication between your CPU and GPU, enabling seamless workflows. One standout feature is doubling the memory channels per DIMM. This allows simultaneous data operations, reducing latency and bottlenecks. Bottleneck calculators, however, rarely account for these advances, often painting DDR5 as a minor, optional luxury rather than the performance game-changer it really is. Bottleneck calculators focus heavily on percentages for CPU-GPU balance while overlooking how RAM impacts overall system efficiency. DDR5's high bandwidth benefits high core count CPUs and demanding workloads like rendering or multitasking, which calculators often fail to emphasize. This can lead to poor upgrade recommendations. By ignoring tasks like 3D modeling, video editing, or next-gen gaming, these tools fail to show how DDR5 optimizes RAM-intensive operations. For example, if your DDR5 memory can't fully complement a powerful CPU, no bottleneck calculator algorithm will alert you. It's up to builders to connect the dots themselves. Another common mistake builders encounter is assuming DDR5 leads to immediate performance gains in all scenarios. While faster latency and extraordinary bandwidth are huge advantages, they depend heavily on compatible processors and motherboards. Without the right ecosystem, DDR5's potential goes untapped. Bottleneck calculators rarely consider the role of motherboard chipsets and supported memory speeds, leading builders to undervalue this relationship. Pairing DDR5 with an older or mid-tier CPU may appear balanced in a calculator's output, but the reality is a performance mismatch that stifles progress. Breaking free from bottleneck calculators starts with manual research and smarter configurations. First, match DDR5 with hardware capable of leveraging its potential, like CPUs with high memory controllers that support DDR5 natively. Brands like AMD Ryzen 7000 and Intel's 12th 13th Gen processors are ideal candidates. Next, evaluate capacity and speed wisely. 16GB DDR5 may outperform 32GB DDR4 in memory-intensive gaming and workloads, thanks to superior data throughput. Don't just aim for higher numbers, check compatibility and balance. Motherboards optimized for DDR5, such as those with PCIe Gen 5, are also essential. Think DDR5 doesn't offer enough today? Imagine gaming in 4K, streaming simultaneously, and running intensive background tasks. DDR5 ensures that this multitasking ecosystem is smooth and lag-free. Similarly, professionals working on large datasets or 4K plus video editing will see noticeable improvements from reduced system bottlenecks. Even future-proofing benefits DDR5 adopters more than DDR4 users. As software evolves to harness higher bandwidths, PC builders relying on DDR5 will experience longer build lifespans. Bottleneck calculators, however, rarely highlight such long-term benefits, often leaving builders short-sighted with their upgrade plans. Bottleneck calculators provide a quick snapshot of hardware balance, but they're incomplete. They lack the nuance to account for hardware advances like DDR5. Manual research, informed component pairing, and awareness of DDR5's true strengths are essential for getting maximum value from your investment. Instead of being limited by percentage-based tools, think critically about your PC's purpose. If you're gaming, working, or creating, Don't let DDR5 bottleneck myths fool you. It's often the key that unlocks better performance in modern, demanding workflows that bottleneck calculators simply cannot predict. Don't let oversimplified tools dictate your build. Research your components, prioritize balanced performance, and give DDR5 the attention it deserves. Bottleneck calculators can't match your knowledge of system needs or handle future compatibility. You control your PC build's potential. Ready to upgrade? Check out gprices.ai for best price comparisons and free calculator tools. Consider DDR5 and the ecosystem it thrives in. Test limits, learn beyond percentages, and share this video if it opened your eyes. Hit like and subscribe for deeper dives into PC building truths that elevate your rig to its absolute best.